Hiya guys, here's another quick video. In front of me I have here a DT80 LC radiator for the cooling system, and as you can see we've got some bent fins on it which could reduce the cooling effectiveness of this radiator. So what I'm going to do is show you how I straighten these fins. Now, two simple tools. All they're made out of is a piece of metal ground to shape. I will use these to basically flip up the bent fins and then straighten them out. Just by flipping up a fin like this, it will stay bent. What you have to do is get into the corner and straighten this up and push it out. What happens then is it actually straightens it out for you. Let me show you. If I put this one in this corner here and put some weight on it, pushing it out, and I put this one in this corner here, get it in there, and then put that in there and bend it out, I then get a straight fin, because basically you're reforming the corners which have lost their shape due to this being bent. I'll show you again on this one. In fact, let's go ahead and do the whole row. First of all, I straighten them up a bit so I can get the tool in there. Straighten up one or two. I mean, that one's been hit pretty bad on the edge there. Wouldn't be surprised if we can get that out. Let's have a look. I mean, obviously then these things get damaged by tools in the engine when you're working on something. Get damaged by taking them out of the bike. Get that stone chip, that sort of thing. There's a lot of ways they can be damaged. But basically, what we're doing is just trying to reform the metal back to where it was before. As you see, just by trying to straighten it, it won't go back. So, tool in, put some weight on it, bring it back, and just carry on doing that. It's a bit of a laborious job. Obviously, if you're a Billy No Mates like me, then you've got time to do this sort of thing. Oh dear. Put it in, gently bring it out, push it together, straighten it up. And again on this one, put it in, tweak it out, push it together, straighten it up. And you see we start getting a nice row. Sometimes you'll hit a piece of metal like that one down in there, but it starts to look nice. And at the end, when it's all done, blow it over with a little bit of black paint, not too much of course, and it'll look super. I have got some badly damaged ones where I've hit them with a spanner. They will be a bit difficult to get out, but you know, if you actually damage them so badly that you can't straighten them, then the only way to do it is to actually take that first piece out, just cut it off, get it out of the way. There we have it. Straightened up. They're not 100%, but better than they were before. There we go. And once you put a bit of paint on that, it'll be hard to see. Here as well. I mean, let me bring that over so you can see that one. That one looks quite bad. If we twang it a little bit, just to straighten it up. Oops. gone a little bit haywire, that one. There we go. Right now. Is it necessary? Well, for looks, yes. Maybe it doesn't reduce your cooling that much, but who knows? Some of these are quite bad. The old tooling, you fucking tooling it. There we go, and we'll start here again. Straighten that corner up there. Put her in, force her over. Put her in, force her over. Again on this one. As I'm forcing it in, I'm giving it a little bit of a twist in the direction it's got to go. That. As well. There we go. It's not perfect. But sometimes when you start to bend these, you will get rips in it. You can't change it. Some of them have been so badly damaged that unfortunately that's the way it is. Here as well. Just by trying to straighten up, they'll stay bent. Something obviously sharps hit that. It's right on the edge. I think I should make this tool a bit sharper. Like to go in that well. See, once we reform this corner, it takes up the slack, and that's why you can get it straight again. Just pick that one out like that. So there we go. Basically, that's all you do. It is time consuming. Put on your favourite podcast and listen to it while you're doing it. And there you see we've straightened up that up row. And a bit of paint on that and you wouldn't notice. Lovely jubbly. So, guys, girls, I wish you a good one. Goodbye for now. Hey ladies and gentlemen, if you like the content, please put a like on the video, add a comment and support me with your subscription. Thank you very much.